Mga ka-nation, you are about to witness some pure kitchen magic, courtesy of Goldilocks Magical Mashups. See here, we take an awesome Goldilocks product, we mix it with other good stuff to come up with something new and, well, magical. As always, kasama natin ang ating magical magician sa ating mga mashups na si Miss Jo and Kyle. Goldie, good day sa'yo, Joanne.
Goldie, good day, Lee. Hello mga ka-nation. Nandito na naman kami sa Goldilocks Magical Mashups.
Yes. Sarap.
Pastillas?
Yeah, medyo ginalo ko na, pasensya ka na.
I see you were already getting into my stash of pastillas, but I don't blame you. Masarap talaga ang pastillas
de leche
namin.
is my favorite, Joanne, so I couldn't help it. I'm sorry.
Well, can you believe we can still elevate that and
Yeah.
turn it into Goldilocks Pastillas de Leche Cheesecake?
Oh my Goldie goodness, Joanne.
Ready
That
ka na?
sounds fantastic. I'm ready. Huwag natin patagalin. Let me say the magic words. Hocus pocus, Goldie goodness. Oh my Goldie goodness. Joanne, you did it again. I mean, this definitely takes the cake. Or should I say, cheesecake.
I knew it, Lee. You know, anybody who loves the Goldilocks Pastillas will definitely be a big fan of this mashup.
Ay, sinabi mo,
Galing,
Joanne. Goldilocks Pastillas de Leche, Presto Changeo, Goldilocks Pastillas de Leche, Cheesecake. You gotta try this one at home, mga ka-nation. Your tummies will thank you for it. We'll see you again next time here on
Goldilocks Magical Mashups.
Goldie, good day!